For this whole analysis of the direction we need now to identify what is the global direction and what is the instant direction. Okay, as you can see here, you have global direction here, you have instant direction here. So the global direction, right, is given by the Jeep trend. The Jeep trend. But the instant direction is given by the logical reasoning. You need to reason, to have a logical reasoning, right? I will show you how. Let us start with the global direction. The global direction is simply given by just take the Jeep trend equal to the logical, equal to the global direction. For example, here, this is the Jeep trend. This is the Jeep trend, right? That's already the global direction because it shows a little bit where the price is going to now. Since here, globally, we are in the uptrend. You get it right? We have not yet started showing from SSB any sign of reversal, any sign of end of the direction. That's like the global direction. The Jeep trend is the global direction. But now, when it comes to the E direction, like instantaneous direction, first of all, the instantaneous direction is not the actual trend. It is not this one. No, that's not how you find it. Yes, for the moment, you can say that for the instant play out, when we were at this candle, the price, the SSB was flat and we're going down. But other times you will see that SSB will keep being in the actual, for the actual share, SSB will still be inclined to the upside, but the price will go down. What does that mean? That means that the instant direction is not given by the actual trend. So don't confuse. The instant direction is not the actual trend. That's the first thing that I wanted to make sure that you understand first. Then secondly, how to identify then the instant direction? From what we saw, we have the zones first, right? We start with the zones. Then we have the A plus setup. Then we have the length of the A plus setup, right? After that, we have the ticket cross. Then the SS cross, then the KSB. And we also have reversal context. Reversal context and continuity context. You need to use all of this to make something logic about the actual direction. But what to have more weight are those two. Those are the direction changers, the zones and the A plus setups. Those are the direction changers. So when you are inside a zone, like the price was going up like this and then hit a zone, the instant direction inside the zone will be mostly, I mean, the major zone will be to the downtrend. Even if SSB is going up like this. Same thing for the A plus setup. If the price was going down and then I have here, there is, and this one is 1 hour time frame. And then on daily, there is a setup here like SSA setup. But candle are in the empty space in 1 hour. And the deep trend in 1 hour is to the downside, right? The instant direction will be to the upside because you make logical reasoning based on A plus setup too. So, but you also need to not forget those crossing lines. Let me tell you why. Let us do a small analysis here. So for this case, we are in the empty space. We were in the empty space there, right? Let me go in 1 hour because we need to understand the instant direction, because every one of us, you will always trade with the instant direction, and sometimes the instant direction can be equal to the deep trend. Like it can be the same. Like in 1 hour here, USD JPY, the global direction is to the upside. The question is, instantly now, are we going to the upside? The answer is no, because we are in the empty space. Instead, at this point in 1 hour, we need to go to the downside. So sometimes the instant direction can be different from the global direction, or other times it can be equal to the global direction. It can go to on the same side. For example, when the candle will come back down till and touch Tenkan at this level, what will be the instant direction? The instant direction will be to the upside because you are inside an A plus setup. And in this case, the instant direction and the global direction will be equal, will be the same. So you always trade with the instant direction, and that's what matters. So now, if you want to take a reversal here, what do you need to take in consideration? You go in a higher time frame, you will see that you have a setup, an H4 SSA setup here, which is not the first SSA setup, and then a Tenkan A plus setup here for daily. All of them are sell side setups. All of them are sell side setups. So that's why we are prone to sell here. You have more eager to sell here. But do we already have a sell confirmation looking at is it already confirmed that we sell here? Looking at because this is a reversal, right? Looking at 15 minutes, we don't yet have Tenkan and Kijun crossing down like this. So it is a sell for the instant direction. Yes, it is a sell, but soon, not instantly, because you can have buy or sell, right, based on zones or a plus setup. But now, is it an instant execution, or will you execute it soon? Sometimes soon can mean that the zone where you have to sell can be, but actually we are already inside the zone at this point. The zone one where you have to sell. Sorry, no, that's not there. That's 15 minutes. Let me go on. Sometimes the zone that where you have to sell is still a little bit above, and we have not yet reached it. So you need to wait a little bit. So it will be a sell soon. But another time, it can be another option is that it can be also a sell later, a buy later. For example, this zone right here has not yet been tested, and the price is not near to make a reversal in 1 hour. So this zone can be a buy later if the price come back here It can be a buy later. It will take like a lot of time, like you see in this screenshot. So, what you need to put in mind about all of this is that the instant direction use logical reasoning. Use logical reasoning. So you have to do that. You have to be aware, be able to analyze all of this graphic and find the instant direction. Please analyze and find the instant direction based on the elements that I gave you. So the exercise that you need to do is duplicate this Google Sheet and then do the analysis. Tell us if for the instant direction, I'm only looking for the instant direction. Tell us if for the instant direction where the candle is now for the live market, are you buying or are you selling? Let us take the case of this one. You do the screenshot of like the time frame where you buy or sell and what make you buy or sell there. And is it an instant execution or a later one? Let us take this one on the Dow Jones. Yeah, we have a SSB setup in 1 hour, right? So is basically the global direction is already equal of the instant direction here. So it is a buy. So do we have more confirmation, like more input from H4? H4 also has a Tenkan setup, and that is already playing out now. But daily has what? A reversal. That has already played a little bit, but how long will it play? Who knows? So and weekly also have an empty space. That's basically indices are like this. They have like most of the time they can be in the empty space that keep going up. But what will make me keep buying this? Let me then go in, because the instant direction is a buy, but will it be an instant buy? From what I see in 15 minutes, it is an instant buy, right? Because CK cost inside this SSB 1 hour has already played. So it's an instant buy. So it refers to this one, execute now. You already have a 15-minute CK cost going up. And yeah, that's how you need to analyze and tell us why. Then do the screenshot, place in the group, stay positive, participate, answer to others, but don't judge, don't criticize. Let us stay together.